Howdy, Roddy and Neil. Great day for all our families. This is a big fat wedding taking place in Houston with a large circle of family and friends. We are so proud, Radhika and Neil. We wish you all the best in your newly wedded life with full of joy, happiness, peace and plenty.
प्रिय राधिका, नील, आप लोगों को शादी की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। बधाइयाँ जी, बधाइयाँ, ढेरों बधाइयाँ। आपका शादीशुदा जीवन बहुत सुखमय, बहुत खुशी से बीते, यही हम लोगों की दुआ है, यही हम प्रार्थना करते हैं। और आपके माँ पापा आ गए, इसकी बहुत खुशी है, वो शामिल हो सके। हम लोग शारीरिक रूप से नहीं हैं, पर मानसिक रूप से दिल दिमाग सब वहीं हैं आप लोग के साथ। और आप लोगों को बहुत बहुत शुभाशीष। आपका वैवाहिक जीवन बहुत शुभ हो, आरंभ कर रहे हो, बहुत खुशी की बात है। सब लोग खुश रहें, आबाद रहें।
Hi Radhika and Neil.
Hi both of you.
We were wondering to put some words together for both of you, and I came across a short poem by Robert Frost that was back in my school days, and I remembered that he compared the sunrise to happiness. So watching you both together, it's like catching a sunrise. We are seeing the start of something beautiful in your lives, and we are wishing you both a lifetime of love and happiness. Stay blessed, love each other,
Be happy always, and see you soon in India.
All the best to both of you. Wishing you the best of luck and a very, very happy married life. Take care.
This is Meera Bua. Congratulations to you and me. You are starting a new chapter in your life. Hoping your path will be strewn with roses. Certainly there will be thorns which you will remove in your stride. Ups and downs are part of everyone's life, but knowing you, you will make the best of everything. So, best of luck to you both. May you both be blessed with abundance of good health, joy and prosperity. Hoping to see you both soon. God bless you. Lots of love and blessings from the Jamil family.
আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি রাধিকা। God bless you both. Lead a very happy, healthy, prosperous and life-ful people. Take care. We are always with you. God bless.
राधिका, बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो आपको। स्टे ब्लेस्ड, खुश रहो बच्चे, और वील लुक फॉरवर्ड टू हैविंग यू बोथ हियर विद अस इन इंडिया, इन बॉम्बे, और enjoy the life. Take care.
Radhika and Neil, heartiest congratulations, and God bless you with lots of happiness, success and togetherness. Have a long, happy, prosperous life. God bless you, beta. We both and we are all together for this event. Love you. God bless you.
Hi Radhika, Neil. Very many best wishes. All the very best to both of you. Have a great life, and though we are not there physically, but treat us mentally, psychologically. Every time we are there with you. Anytime you need, we are always there with you. Let's hope to meet ASAP. All the very best. And once again, heartiest congratulations.
और नील जी, आपको नई ज़िंदगी शुरू करने के लिए बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ। और आप दोनों खूब खुशी से एक दूसरे को संभालते हुए खूब एंजॉय करो लाइफ। हम दोनों की तरफ से बहुत आशीर्वाद।
और जब आपको मौका मिले तो इधर पधारिए।
ये मेरी तरफ से तुम्हें गिफ्ट।
Hi Radhika, firstly congratulations from all of us for a lovely occasion and this matrimony that you are getting into. It's a new life. All the best to you, all the best to Neil. We hope to meet you soon as and how the situation comes up.
So I would just like to say a huge congratulations to you, to Neil, and to Om. And may you always be happy, keep smiling, and see, life is full of ups and downs. So just look at only the ups, the positives. Stay happy, stay together, and wishing you all the very best in life, Radhika.
Hi Radhika and Neil, congratulations. Wish you guys a lovely married life ahead. I hope you're enjoying the celebrations. We are there in spirits with you guys. Have a wonderful life ahead.
Happy wedding, happy life. My sister is a wife. Congratulations, dearest Radhika and Neil. Super happy. Heartiest congratulations and welcome to the family, Neiljeet. We are so happy for you both and we regret not being there in person today. But please do have a blast on our behalf, on behalf of all of us. We love you and we're just looking forward to meet you and catch up in person. Have a great marriage day and may you create memorable memories lifelong. Love you to the fullest. I miss you.
Many congratulations to the both of you. We're sorry we are not there for you, but we're sending lots of hugs and kisses. We're always with you. And for your big day, all the very best. And hope to see you soon.
Hi Radhika Idi and Neil bhai. Wish you a very happy married life. Hope you have a great time and years ahead together. Have a wonderful time at the wedding. Enjoy yourself. Hope to catch you very soon. Take care.
Hi Radhika, Bua, Neil, Fufa, Noam. This is Buju and I hope you guys are doing well. I just wanted to say congratulations on your marriage and on your new house. We all are just so thrilled for you guys. We cannot wait to see you. And we just wish we could be there for you guys. But once again, due to unfortunate circumstances, none of us can be there. But always remember that we are all going to be there to support you no matter what. And we're just so glad that both of you have found a special someone in your lives who means the world to you. And I just want to say thank you for that. Once again, wish you guys a merry marriage. And I hope you guys have a wonderful time together.
Congratulations! Have a great day. I love you.
We are extremely happy that Neil's parents have traveled from Qatar to be with you all in this great moment, and we will shortly be seeing you in Houston. You take care and have a great time amidst your blessed circle of friends.
खुश रहो, स्वस्थ रहो, मस्त रहो, व्यस्त रहो.
Have a great wedding day.
Happy married life. God bless you